Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a minimalist dog in Illustrator. Let's get started. Double-click on the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section. Then press OK. Select color using eyedropper tool. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 200 pixels and press OK. Select color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 200 pixels and press OK. Select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Select left anchor point of the circle and press Delete key. Select color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 60 pixels and press OK. Select color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 15 pixels and press OK. Now, hold Shift key and select both. Drag it to left side for left eye. Select black circle and hold Shift key, drag to right side for right eye. Select color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 30 pixels and press OK. Hold Shift plus Alt key and make its copy to bottom. Hold Shift key and select both circle and go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in front. Hold Shift key and rotate it 90 degree. Hold Shift key and select top circle. Go to Pathfinder panel and select Unite. Change tongue color. Change color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width and height as 30 pixels and press OK. Select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Select top anchor point of the circle and press Delete key. Now, hold Shift key and select nose and tongue. Hold Shift key and press down arrow key 4 times. Select color using eyedropper tool. Again, select Rectangle tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width as 50 pixels and right height as 80 pixels and press OK. Select Free Transform tool from Toolbar. Select Perspective Distort and do as I do. Hold Shift key and press up arrow key 6 times. Hold Shift key and press left arrow key 9 times. Select Pen tool and make shape as I do. Change its color. Select left ear and right-click on it and select Transform. Select Reflect and select Axis as vertical. Press Copy. Hold Shift key and adjust it to right side. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Write width and height as 30 pixels and press OK. Change its color using eyedropper tool. Hold Shift key and press up arrow key 6 times. Hold Shift key and press right arrow key 3 times. Select All and right-click and select Group. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Write width and height as 350 pixels and press OK. Change its color using eyedropper tool. Right-click on it and select Arrange and select Send to Back. Make default fill and stroke and make fill off. Select Rectangle tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right width as 200 pixels and right height as 200 pixels and press OK. Hold Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Now adjust it for shadow using Direct Selection tool. Change its color using eyedropper tool. Go to Transparency panel and select Blending mode as Multiply. Now, select Dog and right-click and select Arrange. Select Bring to Front. Select Big Circle and go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Select All and select Making Clipping Mask. Now, it looks incredibly impressive. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, thank you for your continued support.